of China. If basically the end production happens in a country that is not China, then they won't be subject to these tariffs. But as far as the president directing these U.S. companies where they can and cannot pay, it's really not feasible.
Thomas, yeah, we appreciate your time and perspective. Thank you.
Thank you.
So heavy at CNN Newsroom, people are protesting around the world over what's happening in Brazil, the wildfires there, how the policies of Brazil's new president are to embolden culprits who lift flames. Plus more defiance from North Korea as it fires more missiles, a clear violation of UN resolutions of the U.S. president. Well, he shrugs his shoulders on it. Newsroom right back.
Stop. Gotta rain. What are we supposed to do?
I'll tell you what I'd do. I'd start running. Now, gentlemen, assault! Is your doorbell do that? Ours does. It's tough on crime. Ring Video Guard. Keep your home and your neighborhood safe. Available at ring.com. Reliable sources. Sundays on CNN. Only African voices, change makers. Create opportunities. Impact communities. Transform lives. This week, environmentalists build up communities through zero waste projects. African voices, change makers. Sunday on CNN. The Central Curriculum.
U.S. markets suffered heavy losses on Friday. The Dow closing 100 and Nasdaq fell more than 2%. All sectors closed in the red. Trade-sensitive tech stocks were among the worst performers. Apple shares dropped more than 4%. China says it will impose billions of dollars of new tariffs on American goods. Duties of between 5 and 10% will be imposed from September 1st. Higher tariffs placed on U.S. car imports. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell says the U.S. economy has grown more turbulent, with the trade war among the biggest risks. Economists take appropriate steps to support the economy. Powell didn't give any indication on future rate moves. 32 of the world's fashion houses have signed a pact ahead of the G7 summit in France, calling for 3 objectives: to stop global warming, restore biodiversity, and protect the planet's oceans, recognizing the toll that fashion industry takes on the environment. American businessman David Koch has died at the age of 79. His death was announced in a statement by his brother Charles, the chairman of Koch Industries. As one of the world's richest people, David Koch used his vast wealth, philanthropy, and conservative political activism. Those are the top business headlines. I'm Dana.